Hi, Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. Well, in today's market, there were so many what I call opening range breakout type trades that it was really hard or impossible to keep up. So let me just show you what an opening range breakout trade looks like. So this is based on a system that I developed to identify based on a certain measurement of an opening range. So you can use it across any asset class, you know, the Nasdaq 100 futures, crude, gold, S&P, stocks. But what it helps you to do is to find a really good breakout point during the day, preferably early when the markets can get a sustained trend. And you can use this to help you not only from an intraday trading perspective to trade for profit, but also for helping you to enter a trade, maybe a swing trade with some really precision entries. So here's the Nasdaq 100. Here we come into the day, and this is a 512 tick chart, but I'll use it on 512 or 5 minute. But it was in a really tight squeeze, and then you can see the Nasdaq 100 broke down here right about 906 Central and just got crushed to the downside. Now, it came back up. This is what we call a pivot point. Could not get back above, so it shows the weakness and just continued to trend all day long to the downside. So using this intraday opening range breakout indicator plus with my momentum indicators, it gives me a really good entry for these type of momentum breaks. So that was the NQ. Here are just a couple others so you can see how helpful this is. Here's the S&P futures. Pull this back up here. And you can see here this is the intraday break today on the S&P. So again, a nice what we call volatility squeeze, and then this trigger down hard, came back up and just continued down. So that was the S&P, and you know, a couple others. There were just so many. Here was crude oil, same kind of setup here today. Came in, broke the opening range early, and then just pushed to the downside, came back up, got rejected at the opening range, and trended down hard again. So crude oil, and then you know, it's also good for stocks, and you can trade the options or use this for entry into swing trades for better precision entry. Let me pull this to a 5 minute time frame. Well, here's the Apple, and you can see Apple. This is on the today opening range, broke down hard. Put this on a 5 minute. You can see how well it works as well on a 5 minute. So here's Apple, you know, breaking the 5 minute time frame opening range hard to the downside. You know, here are a couple others. Facebook, again, breaking that opening range here, breaking hard. My momentum indicators tell me the direction cycle 1 and 2 down. So a really great way to help your trading. And you know, systems are really key if you want to try to help take the emotions out of your trading. So hope this helps. I look forward to the next video with you. Good luck trading.